Hey, is there anyone around who could help me answer a few questions for me? Hi, guys. Hey, I want to ask you guys a few questions. It'll just take a minute. I won't keep you. See this puppy here? There's something wrong with her vision that I don't know. Can you see through her eyes? Can you tell me what she can and can't see? Are you able to do that? Can she see any light? I don't know if you can see through her eyes or not. I just don't know what's going on with her. I just want to know if you can help me. She keeps bumping into things. I don't know if she can see anything at all. Can she see real good? Or is it blurry? I don't know if you can tell or not, or if you're able to tell that. I'm just trying to help her. I just don't know. I don't know exactly what's going on. Okay, guys. That's all I want to know is if you could help me with that or not. How is everyone? Thanks for trying to help me with that. I don't know if you could or not. Is there anything you need to tell me? Okay, guys. I'm just going to shut it down then. That's all I wanted to know. Thanks for any help you could give me. Bye.